top things to do in the Texas Hill Country and Alpine this fall? Are you looking for fun things to do in the Texas Hill Country or Alpine this fall? Whether you're a local or just visiting, there's no shortage of exciting activities to enjoy. From outdoor adventures to cultural experiences, there's something for everyone. Let's explore some of the best things to do this fall. Let's start with the Texas Hill Country. Number 1, explore Enchanted Rock State Natural Area and stay in Fredericksburg to enjoy the wine country. If you're looking for something a bit different, hiking, Enchanted Rock is a must-try this fall in the Texas Hill Country. This massive pink granite dome offers panoramic views and a unique geological experience. Arrive early in the morning to beat the heat and the crowds. Bring plenty of water and wear sturdy hiking shoes. After you hike, explore the charming town of Fredericksburg nearby for dining, shopping, and wine tasting in the heart of Texas wine country. Enchanted Rock is perfect for adventurers and nature lovers. The hike provides a rewarding challenge and the views from the summit are unparalleled. Number 2, Kendall County Wild Game Dinner. If you are looking for something truly unique, check out the Kendall County Wild Game Dinner, a fall event where you can sample an incredible variety of wild game dishes and support local conservation efforts. Arrive hungry and adventurous to try everything from venison to wild boar. This unique dinner is a fun way to taste wild game and enjoy a community event while supporting wildlife conservation and local businesses. Now for Alpine. Number 1, visit the Museum of the Big Bend. If you're in Alpine, the Museum of the Big Bend is a must visit this fall. Located on the Sul Ross State University campus, the museum offers fascinating exhibits about the history, culture, and natural wonders of the Big Bend region. Check out their rotating exhibits featuring art, history, and geology of the area. Whether you're a history buff or just looking to learn more about this unique region, the museum provides an in-depth look at the area's rich heritage. Number 2, attend a star party at the McDonald Observatory. Just 45 minutes from Alpine, the McDonald Observatory in Fort Davis hosts awe-inspiring star parties where you can gaze through powerful telescopes and learn from astronomers under some of the darkest skies in the country. Reserve tickets in advance. They sell out quickly. Dress in layers and bring a blanket or chair for comfortable viewing. Whether you're a casual stargazer or a space enthusiast, the views of Saturn's rings, galaxies, and the Milky Way are unforgettable. It's an experience that will leave you inspired. Now that you know some of the best things to do in the Texas Hill Country and Alpine this fall, it's time to make plans and get out there. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or family-friendly fun, there's something for everyone. If you have any questions or need recommendations on where to go or what to do, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help you make the most of your fall in the Texas Hill Country and Alpine. Reach out to me by phone, email, or DM. I'm always here to help you discover new experiences in this amazing region. Enjoy your fall adventures.